Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about the project Multimodal Biometric Recognition System using deep learning based on the finger vein and knuckle vein print fusion. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract of the process. Biometric have developed to be one of the most relevant technologies used in the information technology, that is the IT field, for the security purpose. Uni-modal biometric system have a variety of problems which decreases the performance and then the accuracy of the security systems. On one way to overcome the limitation of the uni-modal biometric system is through fusion of the multimodal biometric system. Multimodal is nothing but the combination of two or three or multiple of the biometrics is known as the multi-modal biometrics algorithm. So in this multi-modal security, the security level is very high than the uni-modal. Hence this process is developed based on the multi-modal biometric system based on the two categories of finger vein, palm vein and dorsal vein. Based on these three categories of the multi-modal, we can recognize the person as authenticated or not. In case of person is authenticated, the message will be displayed as an authenticated. Then finally the performance of the process will be evaluated by means of the accuracy and the error rate. In terms of accuracy is high, it will be having the higher classification accuracy. Now we are going to discuss about the overall working flow of the process. This is the overall working flow, which consists the modules such as input, pre-processing, feature extraction, classification. First of all, in the input stage, we have to give the three inputs to the process. First input is the finger vein, then the second one is the palm vein, then the third one is the dorsal vein. After getting these three input by the user, we just move to the pre-processing. In this pre-processing, one of the pre-processing is image resize. Why we are choosing the image resize in the sense, for example, we have took the three images and input. Each and every image having the different ratios of sizes, in the sense we have to resize the every image into an aspect ratio of 256 cross 256, which means the number of row and column will be the 256. After doing the resize, we just move to the feature extraction. Feature extraction is nothing but the collection of data from the image. Collection of data in terms of values, pixel values, by means of the three stages for finger vein, palm vein and dorsal vein. After extracting the finger, palm and dorsal veins, we just move to the classification. Before that, I just elaborate about the LBP, local binary pattern, which is the algorithm used to extract the features from the image. The reason for choosing the LBP is to all finger vein and palm and dorsal vein having the unique patterns. After extracting these three features separately, we just combine these three features together to generate the test feature. After generating the test feature, we just move to the classification step. In this classification steps, we have two probabilities is there. One is whether the input person is authenticated, and then the another one is the input person is not authenticated. So in this classification step, it will classify the inputs into an authenticated or not. Now we are going to discuss about the running procedure of the process. At first, open the Spider 3.7 and then you have to open the main file 1.py. After opening the code, you have to click the run button. After clicking the run button, the dataset will be open. In this dataset, we have three kinds of dataset will be there: dorsal vein, finger vein and palm vein. First of all, we have to import the dorsal vein. So after that, we have to import the finger vein. After that, we have to import the palm vein. So we have to import these three images from the dataset. So after importing these three images, the corresponding image will be shown in this console window. So this is the dorsal original image which we have taken from the dataset. After that, finger vein original image is taken from the dataset. Then the palm vein original is taken from the dataset. After taking all the three images and input, we just move to the pre-processing. We already discussed in the flow diagram. So pre-processing stage consists of the resize. So here we have resized the image into 256 cross 256 for dorsal region, for finger vein region, then palm vein region. After doing the resize, we just have to apply the LBP for the dorsal image. The pattern's image will be looking like this. Then we have to extract the LBP for the finger vein. Then we have to extract the LBP for the palm region. After doing this one, the corresponding value is occurred, so that values is plotted here. Palm feature, finger feature, then again the palm and dorsal feature, palm of the dorsal feature. So we have to extract these features together to generate the test features. After doing this one, it will classify the persons. Then we have to justify the classification result, whether it is an authenticated or not authenticated. The result will be printed here. Then finally accuracies will be printed here, accuracy and the error rate. The accuracy is around 98%, then the error rate is around 2%. Then the histogram of dorsal, then finger as well as the palm region is displayed here. Thanks for watching this video.